Hi, I'm Marna, and yesterday I went to the mailbox and it was hard not to open it straight away, but I got some happy mail. Happy mail. Happy mail. How exciting. And an American Girl catalog. So I had a fun day. This is from J Dolls UK. And I'm not just saying this because she sent me a gift, okay? I love her. She has a great channel, and I go there every time she uploads. I'm there. She and Ruby Red's World of Dolls, those two are the ones that got me into the Blythe dolls, which has become a rabbit hole, which is kind of fun. Anyway, go see J Dolls channel. So this came all the way from the UK, and I am quite excited. I am just quite excited. I had no idea it was coming. Oh, wait till you see this. Oh, thank you, Jay. Oh, she does not know this, but I have a love of nutcrackers. When my kids were little, we used to give them a nutcracker every year, and I'd write the date on them. Look at these fabrics. Oh, wow. I'll read this in just a minute. Look at these trims. Oh my goodness. How cool is that? That might be tape or borders. I'm going to have to look at that. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Small print penguins. How whimsical is this for Blythe? I mean, that is just, those Blythe-like dolls were made for this. Look at this. Oh, I cannot thank you enough. Hi, Marna and Darren. Thank you so much for the lovely gifts that you sent to me. I really appreciate it. I wanted to send you a small happy mail too. Seriously, thank you. You did not have to. I really enjoy your channel and wanted to send a little thank you. I hope you find the enclosed useful. Very. Thanks again, Jay. That is so cool. She made this card. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Wait till you see what I make out of this. Of course, you'll see it on camera. Thank you for watching. Everyone, go see J Dolls UK's channel and subscribe. You'll be glad you did. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to my channel also.